Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a time dragon by breeding. First, you'll need to identify the correct parent dragons. The most common and successful combination involves the Chronos dragon and the Temporal dragon. Ensure both dragons are at least level 10 to maximize your chances. Prepare your breeding island by clearing any obstacles and making sure you have an available breeding cave. The most effective breeding pair for the time dragon is the Chronos dragon and the Temporal dragon. It's crucial that both parent dragons are at a high level, ideally level 15 or above, as this significantly increases your chances of success. While this is the primary method, some players have also reported success using other rare combinations, but these are less consistent. Focus on leveling up your Chronos and Temporal dragons first. To further improve your odds, consider upgrading your breeding cave and epic breeding island. Upgraded structures not only reduce breeding times, but can also slightly boost your chances for rare dragons. Keep an eye out for in-game breeding events, which often feature increased rates for specific dragons. Remember, breeding a time dragon can require patience and multiple attempts, so don't get discouraged if it doesn't happen immediately. Once you successfully breed a time dragon, its egg will appear in your nursery. Hatch it there, and then prepare a suitable habitat for your new legendary dragon. The time dragon thrives in a specific type of habitat, so ensure you have one ready. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to bring your space to life with smart technology.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.